How to set the clock on a Frigidaire stove. So first of all, it's gonna depend on your model, but usually it's gonna be done with similar methods. So first you're gonna have to find the clock button. So look for a button labeled clock or a timer or sometimes a small clock icon on the oven control panel. Then you can press that clock or the set clock button. So you're gonna have to find something like that. Anyways, you can set the correct time by either pressing a plus or minus button. So you could use up or down buttons as well, depending on what buttons you have. Then you can just go ahead and press on start. But if your model has a knob instead, some newer Frigidaire stoves use the oven temp or timer knob. You can turn and hold the knob left or right for around 3 seconds until the hour flashes. Rotate to the set hour, then press the knob. Then set the minutes and press again. So again, Frigidaire says control can vary by model, so the exact button names may be different. Their support does recommend checking your specific owner's manual for model specific clock and control instructions. But hopefully this video can help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.